I've noticed that there are certain experiences that only highly vibrational people experience. So if you feel like you fully don't fit into this world, then this could explain why. Now your first question might be, how do I know if I am high vibrational? Because I'm not perfect, I'm not positive all the time. But trust me, that's not what it's about. You don't have to be perfect. It's about you being an old soul. You are an advanced soul. You've come a long way on your spiritual journey. And it's about how you experience reality. And if you're still not sure, then if you have more than half of these 7 signs, then chances are you are a highly vibrational person. The first sign is going to sound really bad. I don't know how to phrase it gently, but basically that you've had to do cullings of your friendships. As in, you have one or several times in your life outgrown your friends. You start to notice that certain friendships drains you or feels very surface level, and you want more deeper friendships. And it sounds horrible, but it doesn't mean that you don't care about them. You're just not a vibrational match, so they are better suited for other people and you're better suited for other people. When you were younger, usually most people are on the same level, and then some people grow and some people stay the same. It's 2 different life paths you can choose. So the friends who don't grow with you, it can create this mismatch. And it could be that you haven't looked through your friendships and decided which are draining, which are not, which uplifts you. And if that's the case, then do that. It's so important to have friendships that lift you up. Otherwise, you'll just keep going back to hermit mode because you get so drained being with your friends. Know that there are people out there for you who, when you are with them, they actually uplift you, feel really deeply. So energies of other people, feelings of other people, and sometimes even thoughts of other people. And that makes you a really good spiritual teacher, a good healer, a good therapist, but it can be pretty draining. So it is important that you have alone time. Sign number 3 is that you crave depth. So you are not here for surface level connections. You want deep, soulful connections. So go on Facebook, see if there are meetups, Eventbrite. Look at whatever hobby you have, try to find like-minded people. This is really gonna uplift your energy. Number 4 is that you go through periods of hermit modes. Like we mentioned earlier, you easily get drained and sometimes you need to recalibrate. And know that this is nothing wrong with you. This is just what happens to highly vibrational people. You need that space to relax, be with yourself before you can get back out into the world. And I know this might not sound very sexy, not very fun, but this is actually where most growth happens. Number 5, you can see through people very easily. You can sense when something is off, or you can have a bad feeling about somebody. Even if they're smiling, you can just see in their eyes. Or if they're putting on a mask, putting on a show, you can see through it. And most people can't actually do that. Sign number 6 is that you have had a lot of challenges. Usually this will happen in childhood, but it could be anytime throughout your life where you've gone through significant challenges. And this might feel unfair, but they were actually there for you to help you grow. And I notice this especially with healers. Most healers have gone through some tough shit in their life. But if they hadn't, they wouldn't have been forced to look into healing, to heal themselves, and then being able to heal others. So know that this is just part of the life path on being on earth challenges. So we gotta surrender. The more you surrender, the happier you will be. And for me, the best way to surrender is to meditate daily. That will really help you to feel less of a roller coaster on your time on earth as a highly vibrational person. Especially grounded meditations, like putting your bare feet on the ground, or if you're inside, using a frequency device with a grounded frequency. So I use this one from Energy Muse, and you want specifically the one with 174 hertz. So I've linked it in the description if you want to check it out. And number 7, you feel like you're here for something more. Like you have a big purpose, and you might not be sure exactly what that is. I've popped a link in the description on how to find your purpose in 5 simple steps. And if you want to monetize that purpose, then check out my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Let me know if you think you're a highly vibrational person. Did any of the signs resonate? And see you in the next video.